everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to review the Freewill personalized kit. So for those of you who don't know, Freewill basically customizes your hair care and they also print your name on the bottle as well. So they have a quiz on their site in which they ask certain questions about your hair, and based on that they personalize your shampoo and conditioner. So this sounded really exciting to me because I had heard of such things, but I didn't know that such brands exist in India as well. So I was really excited to try that, and I'm sure you're excited to know how this works as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Today's comment shout out goes to Shanta. Thank you so much, Shanta, for commenting on my video. First I'll share about the quiz and what all I selected because I want you to know what basically it is, and then we'll talk about the products, alright? So let's start the quiz. Hair type curly. I actually have oily roots in the monsoon, but anyway I selected dry because I don't mind the extra moisture. Length medium, thickness medium, volume moderate, scalp little itchy, dandruff little bit, while combing more than dozen. Color yes, I chose yes because I'm planning to highlight it soon. Chemical no. Hair dryer straightener. India Goa. So I use oil, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in cream and gel. Soft water. 1 hour because we are not stepping out much. Hair goals was really tricky because I wanted to select everything, but I selected strengthen, anti-frizz and damage repair because I use a lot of heat. I wanted to choose thermal protection too, but I guess I'll just use a heat protectant spray. And pink because I like pink. Then I wrote Madhu because maximum was 8 characters. Madhushri wouldn't have fit. And in the end they show you the analysis of your hair. So now let's talk about each product and how they worked for me. So first let's talk about the shampoo. I really like the smell of this. It's really sweet and pleasant. It's not overpowering, and the shampoo is sulfate free, so it's really mild and it does not dry out my hair and doesn't strip off the moisture from my hair, which is a good thing. And it does not cause much foam. There's very little foam. This is like the typical sulfate free shampoo. It cleanses pretty well. I don't have any complaints regarding that, but if you do like very heavy oil chumpy, it might not be able to remove everything completely, but that's true for most of the sulfate free shampoos, so you might want to use a clarifying shampoo in that case, so that's not a problem. Now let's talk about the conditioner. This conditioner is really thick. As you can see, this is not runny, it's pretty thick and it moisturizes your hair beautifully. There's a great slip and makes my hair soft, and as you can see how much of the conditioner I've used. Can you relate to me? All you curly girls will relate to me because curly hair needs a lot of conditioner. Not as much as I use, but definitely they need more conditioner than those with straight hair. I really don't mind if you give me 10 ml of shampoo, but कंडीशनर मुझे 1 लीटर चाहिए. Can you relate? Next, let's talk about the serum. I'm not sure if the serum is personalized as well because there's no name written on it. The shampoo and conditioner has my name written. The serum doesn't. And also I don't know how much you can customize a serum because it's just a serum, right? But this is argan oil based and I love argan oil for my hair. It's the best thing for hair. It absorbs so quickly and it leaves your hair really soft. So I love applying argan oil for my hair, and this is argan oil based, so this is great. But a serum alone isn't enough for curly hair because curly hair needs a lot more moisture and a thick and creamy product to really moisturize those curls, and serums are really lightweight, so those of you with straight and wavy hair might benefit from a serum, and it works great for those people. But with curly hair we need a lot of product. If I don't use other products and just use the serum, my hair looks frizzy, just like when I don't apply any product. But you can definitely use the serum when you're scrunching out the crunch, but take very little. You don't want to make your hair greasy. So this is perfect for sealing in the moisture. So whatever products you have used, this will make sure the moisture is retained. So I really wish this brand comes up with personalized leave-in conditioners, creams, masks in the future as well. That would be great for curly hair. So my overall views about these products are, hair does feel nice after using it, and also I did not get any extra hair fall, which happens when the product doesn't suit you, but I got my regular hair fall which I get every time. So if you're gonna buy it thinking only a shampoo and conditioner will transform your hair from 0 to 10, then I'm sorry to break your bubble, but you cannot depend only on shampoo and conditioner to transform your hair. They can definitely help you in the journey of transforming your hair by not making it worse, but you cannot solely depend on only these two products. You have to do other masks and treatments as well, so keep that in mind.
mind. It worked well for my hair type, but it's slightly expensive. Like the kit cost 1650 rupees for a set of 3 products, but I think that's because of the customization factor in it. So I want to share a little backstory. So when I was doing research about these products, I was really curious about the ingredients and what they basically change according to the hair need, and I could not find the ingredient list anywhere online and even on their site. So I reached out to them and I asked them the ingredient list. They said they can't share it with me because everybody's ingredients are different and personalized. So I was like, okay, but still I was curious about like what the basic difference is, and I thought the base ingredients might be same and they might be adding little extra based on the hair need. So I asked a friend who also has the same kit to send the picture of her ingredients, and she has straight and smooth hair completely opposite to mine, and I was quite shocked to see that the ingredients were ditto same, not even single ingredient difference. So I reached out to them again because I thought this is misleading. So they connected me to a person who was apparently a hair care specialist, and she explained it to me how it works. So basically the ingredients are same for all. The only thing different is the proportion. So based on the hair need, they kind of change the proportion of each ingredient and the formulation and everything, and I'm not an expert in that area, so I might have been wrong in the past. So I agreed. So this is just something I wanted you to know, just so that you are aware of this. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions about these products, please leave them down in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. And please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.